Today class is about static call. So in static call there is no dynam. It is a no dynam is a compiler option. So by using static call the subprogram using below syntax. Call within the quotes subprogram name. Okay. In static call we must and should use like a single load library for main program and subprogram. We use only single load library for subprogram and main program in the static call. So there are three ways to pass the data. So using simple call to pass the data from main program to subprogram, we can pass the data. Okay. In simple call, if you make any changes in the subprogram variables, those changes will be impact on the main program variables. Means, so if you make any changes in the subprogram variables, those changes impact on to main program variables also in the simple call. So we can recompile both main program and subprogram again. So if you make any changes now in subprogram variables, at that time we used to recompile again both main program and subprogram. Simple call functionality is similar to call by reference. Means both are same. Static call with simple call syntax. Call within the code subprogram name using variable names. Example, build a subprogram for perform two addition of numbers. Call the subprogram from the main program with data. So this is my main program. So in the data division, so declare the variables A, B, C. Okay, next procedure division. Accept A and B variables using call statement call within the code subprogram name. So this is my member name of subprogram. Okay. Sub PGM is my member name of subprogram. So we'll represent within the codes using these variables WSA, WSP, WSC with comma separate values. Okay. After that, display addition of two numbers within the codes WSC stop run. Okay. So this is my subprogram and my subprogram member name is sub PGM. Okay, in the data division, linkage section variables. So mainly we use linkage section variables in subprogramming only now. So we use linkage section variables in subprograms. So this is my linkage section variable. So the prefix is ls. Okay, ls means linkage section. So to identify which one is working storage section variable and which one is linkage section variable. So this is the prefix. PQR. So in procedure division using LSP, LSQ, LSR. After that compute LSR equal to LSP plus LSQ. Go back. Again it will return into the call statement. After that display addition of two numbers. Display C stop run. So you can see output of two numbers. Okay. Means we are passing the first we call the subprogram now. The control goes to like this into this subprogram with WSA, WSP, WSC. Means WSA goes to P, WSB goes to Q, WSC goes to R. Okay, using LSP, LSQ, LSR. So we perform a compute statement of addition of two numbers. Again, the control goes to go back. This LSR will return the value from LSR to WSC. Okay, if you display WSC, you can see the output of addition of two numbers. Understand?
Yes, Mani.
Shamla.
Yes, Mani.
So one more example. So this is my main program. So declare three variables A, B, C, A value 5, B value 10 and C value 15. Okay. Before calling, so display the A value, B value and C value. A value is 5, B 10, C 15. Now call the subprogram. Okay. Call subpgm is my member name using variables A, B, C. Okay. After that display after calling display ABC. Okay, so in subprogram, linkage section variable will receive the data from the main program WSA to LSP, WSB to LSQ, WSC to LSR. Okay, receive the data from the main program. Now P value is what? 5, Q value 10, R value 15. Same values will replace here. Using LSP, LSQ and LSR. So add 5 to P. So what is the P value? 5 no. Add 5 to P means becomes 10. Subtract 5 from Q. Q value is what? 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Multiply 5 by R. I value is what? 15. 15 5s are 75. Now the control goes to go back. Go back means again the control goes to call statement where the control comes from. Control comes to from call statement to subprogram no. Again the control gets back to this call statement only and execute next statements display after call ABC values. Before display ABC values are what 5, 10 and 15. After display add 5 to P. It will become 10. Subtract 5 from Q. So it is 10 minus 5 5. Multiply 5 by R. 15 5s are 75. Okay, if you make any changes in the subprogram, those changes will be impact on the main program variables also. Okay, this is simple call. Clear?
Yes, Mani.
Next, call by content. So to pass the data from main program to subprogram, and if you make any changes in the subprogram variable, those changes will not be impact on the main program variables. Means in the last example, if you make any changes in the subprogram, those changes also impact on the main program also now. But here in call by content, those changes will not impact on the main program. So we can recompile only subprogram only. Again, no need to recompile the main program. Okay. Static call will be call by content syntax. Okay. Call within the code subprogram name using call by content variable name. By seeing this calling statement only, we can say what type of call it is. Call subprogram name using variable names. It is static call. Sorry, simple call. Okay. So if it is if you see syntax using by content means it is a call by content. Okay. By seeing the call statement, we can identify what type of call it is. Next, main program. So working storage section declare three variables A value 5, B value 10, C value 15. So before calling, you have to display that ABC. Okay, now call the subprogram. Call subprogram using call by content variables. Okay, so linkage section will receive the data from main program PQR. Procedure division using PQR. Add 5 to P, subtract 5 from Q, multiply 5 from R. Display subtract subprogram variable values. So add 5 to P. P value is what? 5. P value become 10. Okay, P value become 10. Subtract 5 from Q. Q value is what? 10. 10 minus 5? 5. Multiply 5 by R. R value 15. 15 5 is 75. Okay. So I am displaying these PQR values in the subprogram itself. So if you display again ABC values in the main program in the after calling statement, like here I have written now. After call statement, I have written display after calling ABC. You can try this example. See what is the output. Those changes will not be impact on the main program. What are the changes? This addition, subtraction, multiplication will not impact on the main program. Okay, you can check. Understand?
Yes, Mani. Yes, Mani.
So here are some questions for your practice programs. So build a subprogram to swap main program to alphanumeric variables values invoked by subprogram into main program. Okay. So you have to, so that is your question. So you have to perform these two steps. After swapping the values impact on the main program. Means which call? Simple call. After swapping the values, no need to impact on the main program. That is call by content. This example. Okay. You have to perform this swapping logic in simple call and call by content. Okay. Next, build a subprogram to display a given number is even or odd. Call the above subprogram from main program with data. Okay. This one more question and build a simple subprogram to display hello world message. Invoke to subprogram to main program. Okay. Complete these three tasks. Okay. So next, call by reference. So in the simple call only I have said. So simple call functionality is similar to call by reference. In the simple call, both are same. Okay. We can pass the data from main program to subprogram and it will refer both subprogram and main program variable values
Mani.
memory. If any changes in the subprogram, those changes will be impact on the main program variables. So it is also like simple call. So we can recompile both main program and subprogram again. The syntax is for call by reference is call subprogram name within the quotes using call by reference variable names. Okay. So by seeing the call statement, we can identify what type of call it is. If you see call by using by reference, it is call by reference, call by content, and simple calls. By default, it will take it as call by reference. If you call any statement, so by default, it will take it as call by reference only. Simple call and call by reference functionality is same, but the difference is in syntax. Okay, simple call and call by reference both are same. Both are impacting on the main program now. If you make any changes in the subprogram, those changes will be impact on the main program. So both are same. The main difference is so while writing the syntax of the call statement. Okay, the main difference. So in the data division working story section, declare ABC, A value 10, B value 20, C value 30. Call subprogram using reference variables value ABC. Display ABC. Okay, first I am calling. Now the control goes to this subprogram Okay, now linkage section variables will receive the data PQR of ABC, and procedure division using PQR, add 1 to P, add 1 to Q, add 1 to R, go back. Now the control goes to call statement only. After call statement, you can see display A, display B, display C. You can see 10, so 11, 21 and 31. Okay, subprogram changes impact on the main programs. Okay, understand? So this is my main program and this is my subprogram. My subprogram member name is what? SUV PGM. So the same member name called from the main program. Okay, first we need to compile subprogram sub PGM submit axis 0 again main program we need to submit. After compilation of the subprogram only we need to compile main program max is 0. Go to execution main program change the values 20 30. Okay, 20 plus 30 is what? How much?
50.
50. Go to school. Output is 50. Okay.